This Brazilian bite-sized snack is something unique that I always come back to whenever I have the opportunity to eat it. Some eat it for breakfast, others pair it with coffee. The possibilities are endless. The true origin is unknown, but there's hints that the pão de queijo was created in the Minas Gerais in Brazil in the 18th century in mining farms. The chefs at the time tried to make their breads with higher quality starch, instead of, at the time, lower quality wheat flour that was usually unedible due to logistic problems. Added in the mix, they used leftover hard cheese, eggs, and milk. It only became popular for all of Brazil from 1950, when all sorts of bakeries were popularized. If you want to try pão de queijo, you can either find a Brazilian place and buy them, or you can find them frozen, usually in supermarkets.
Obrigado, Deus.
So here we have them, and they smell really, really nice. It's very crispy and soft on the inside, which is really nice. Yeah, it tastes like cheesy bread. That's what I would describe it. It's a super nice snack. I love these. Could honestly eat 20 more of these. They're that good.